let's go over another simple strategy that beginners can use. Those of you that are more advanced, I don't really recommend using this because there are better strategies out there. But if you guys are new to trading and you're trying to find something that's, pretty simple, mechanical, that can work on prop firm challenges, can make you a bit of money, this is quite a nice strategy. So all you got to do is you're going to add 3 EMAs on your charts, which are moving averages. They look exactly like this. So if you add an indicator, it looks like this. Moving average exponential. That's what it's called. And then you're going to edit it to 200, 21, and 8. Your 200 is what gives you the trend, and then the 8 and the 21 give you your entries. It's very, very simple. All you're going to do is remember what I say about timing as well, which I go over more in depth with my students. But since this is for everyone, I will briefly touch up on it. You just got to make sure that the timing of your trades makes sense. You don't want to be trading gold in the middle of the day, for example, because look in the middle of the day. It does nothing. So, for example, when it's London between 7 and 9, you'd want a nice entry. So if you look here, all you wait for is trend, is price above or below the 200. It's below. That's simple as that. If it's below, you're looking for sells. If it's above, you're looking for buys. So what you're going to do here is you're basically going to wait for the cross below. Your time is 7:25 when it crosses around here. Here's your entry, stop loss above the high, and you get just less than a 2-to-1. So here, it depends how you want to manage your trade. And the RR is dependent on how you would, where your stop loss would be. But I'm just showing you guys an entry method. So for example, whether you take this loss, it shouldn't be a loss because it moved $30 in price. So it's a big move. Then let's look at today, for example, in the London session. Let's go London. So here you're above, you don't want sells. You don't want to take this as a buy because you're below the EMA. This crosses down, here's a sell. So you can take this sell around about here, and your target is definitely hit. Just a very simple strategy, not the best, but very nice if you're looking for something basic. I also would definitely caution you to trade gold at the moment. It's extremely volatile. If you look at this, it's down just short of 6% for the day. And looking at the markets right now, you've got to be very careful. Either drop your risk, or if you want to gamble, then go ahead and leverage. But like when I trade now, I'm risking between 1 and 2% a trade, and I'm taking my targets at 2-to-1. Normally I would take a 3 or 4-to-1, but the market is so crazy at the moment, I'm bagging my wins and I'm moving on from there. So yeah, guys, if you trade a prop firm, just manage your risk. If you're trading live accounts, manage your risk and take your targets, and follow the rules. If you follow it mechanically, you shouldn't have any issues. The issue comes into play when people, for example, they'll take a trade and then they see it coming back here, then they close the trade there. And then they'll leave their losses and have hope when they're losing that it's going to turn in their favor. But when it's winning, they're scared it's going to turn against them. Just hold your winners. If you look at gold on the higher time frames, gold should drop massively. We've broken the 200 EMA on the 1 hour chart. Gold could drop, probably will drop all the way back below 4,000 again. But remember, that's my opinion. Doesn't mean I'm right. You guys must trade the way you see fit. This is just a simple entry method. I don't trade this way anymore. As you guys know, I trade quite an advanced strategy at the New York Open, and my students trade the same way. So if you guys want any more info, feel free to send me a message on Instagram or on my WhatsApp number or via our website, and I'll get back to you shortly. Whether it's regarding bots, whether it's regarding manual trading, whatever it may be, just give me a shout.